So what happened when we went to see what the new V4 Tesla Superchargers are like? Well, here's a short version. And as you say, that's pretty seamless. So here's what the longer version was like. We arrived at Reading Westbound on the M4, headed straight up past the grid serve and plugged in at the supercharger. First time we'd ever been there, first time we'd used the new V4, and my able assistant Greg here just unplugged, as you would expect, straight into the port on his eNiro, onto the app, identified where we are, Reading Westbound, identified the charger we were using, and then pretty soon, boom, off we go. So everything's working, the lights are flashing, and as you'd expect, other than the fact that we've used the app, it's pretty seamless. Don't worry about the charge speed, it's at a high state of charge. This is all as to be expected, but we were kind of meh. Then we realised if you don't actually have the app, same thing as before, but this time we'll use a payment card. From the time Greg took the connector out of the holster, I started a timer. He's plugged in now, so we're waiting for the unit to recognise his eNiro, which would take a few moments. Then Greg swipes his watch to pay the £20 pre-authorisation fee. Waiting for communication between the unit and the car to be established. Some clunks and a few words every now and again, but we're pretty confident it's working. And the charger started, 53 seconds from start to finish. That's not bad at all. So what about stopping the charge? The screen does nothing, so here's the trick. And it's something I must admit I never realised. Press the button on the connector, the charger stops, disconnect, done. As the advert goes, simples. So what have we learned? Well, the units take payment cards and have longer cables. The contactless itself, as you'd expect from Tesla, well designed, integrated, a quick 53 seconds. Not entirely sure about the stop button on the handle. Oh, and those superchargers don't half get muddy as well.